Hey everyone, so today I'm going to talk to you about this Softbox Lighting Kit. It is a portable lighting kit that can easily go up and down. It can also go inside of a bag so you can take it with you on different shoots and events that you have. So I'm just going to go over a few of the basics here. I'll also show you via this remote how bright the light can get and how you can change the color temperature of the light as well. So really great light, so let's get into it.
Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention before we get started. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will leave a link for you to be able to do so in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission if you do make a purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you.
Now the first thing you have here is a connector which will turn the light on and off like this. The second thing that is worth noting is that you have these twist knobs where you can adjust how high and how low you want the light to go. I can also unscrew this lever right here and I can twist it up and down. It can also go side to side, which is pretty cool. Now to turn the light on, I first have to turn on the switch and then the light comes on. Right now it has kind of a amber glow. If I wanted to change that, I could use the remote here. The remote has, and I will show you close-ups in a second, the remote has buttons for the brightness. It also has buttons for warm and cold. And then there's an on and off button in the middle. So let's first try the brightness settings. So if I wanted it to be less bright, I could simply hit this remote repeatedly, and now the light is coming down. And if I want it to be brighter, I can just keep increasing it and increasing it and increasing it, and now it's quite bright. If I didn't like the fact that it's a warm glow, let's say I wanted it to be a cooler glow, it's just a touch of a button, it's very cool. So I simply hit the cold button on the remote, and now it's giving you a cooler vibe to the light. Once again, you could adjust the brightness here as well. So if I wanted it to be lower on the cool side, and if I wanted it to be significantly brighter, I could just hit the remote as much as possible. It's also worth noting that you can turn the light on and off via the remote. So to turn off the light box, I could simply hit the off button. So to wrap it up, the things that I love about this light is that it's portable, it's easy to use, I can use a remote control to utilize all of the functionality within the light box, and best of all, it just works really, really well.